Faber Piano Adventures, Level 3B, page 30. Triad Inversions. When we play a chord, we're typically playing chords in a root position. At least we have been throughout these book series. The root chord is the bass chord, okay? Or the bass note, excuse me. This is the third and this is the fifth. So the bottom note of a chord is called the root, alright? When we see them perfectly stacked like this, where we skip one, skip one, skip one, that means it's in root position. But sometimes we see the C out of position, or the E. If we take the C and put it up here and play this, we have now inverted the chord. This is called a first inversion. We've taken the C, the root, and put it on top. Now we have a first inversion. So that's what this whole thing is working on page 30. We're learning how to play a root chord and then play a first inversion. If you watch my hand as I switch, I come off this finger and this finger I'm going to switch with my thumb and my pointer finger. Watch. And my pinky grabs the C up top. Now I'm going to switch these two again, but with my middle finger and my pinky. And go back to the root. So I'm going to play the first inversion workout at the bottom of the page. The left hand's actually going to be doing another set. So we're going to do the right hand for 2 bars, then we're going to do the left hand for 2 bars. So just watch my right hand. Now start on D and try it. See how the D's on top now? Now go to E and try it. The E's on top now. F, G, and end on C. And that's the first inversion workout for the right hand. Now the left hand, we're just starting on lower C here. And we're going to do the same thing, but the fingering changes. 5, 3, and 1 is the fingering for the first inversion. But when we did it with our right hand, it was 1, 2, and 5. Okay, so remember the fingering is different in the left hand. So C, first inversion, C, now D, first inversion, see the D's on top now, E, F, G, and back to C. And that's it. If you're really good, you can do them both. Okay? So that's the inversion process. In the song on the next page, we're going to be using these inversions, so we want you to get good at playing inversions. And if you want to make it more fun, play them broken. Or play around with those, okay? So that's pretty much it for the triad inversions. And there are majors and minors, but we'll talk about that stuff later. It's not super important. You can read that at the top of the page. Okay, that concludes triad inversions.